Hello everybody, hello Facebook. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Hope everybody is having an awesome day. It's humid out there, so make sure you drink lots of water and stay hydrated. And hopefully it will not rain tonight. It looks like the sun is out and it's shining a little bit. It's hot, but hopefully we will get no rain. Tonight is Thursday night. Today is the 19th of August. So happy Thursday to you. Marcus and I had a busy 2 days off, so Tuesday and Wednesday were closed at the restaurant, but we weren't really closed this week. Let's see, Wednesday we did a catering job for lunch, and then we had a private party in our garden last night. I'm getting ready to walk out the door here in a few minutes to do another catering job. Same family, we're catering all week for them, and then tomorrow night as well. But I wanted to jump in and give you a Facebook Live today. I wanted to give you a cocktail of the day. Courtney found this awesome cocktail recipe. It has bourbon, cherry, almond, lemon juice, and soda. So I'm excited to make this drink for you today. It is Thursday. We have jazz tonight in the garden, 6:30. We have no reservations available till 6 o'clock this evening. So if you are planning on coming in after 6 o'clock is the best time. Call ahead, 845-647-3000. We are not taking to-go orders till after 6 o'clock as well this evening. Sorry about that, but we've been doing this, getting ready for this catering job all day, and the kitchen needs a little bit of time to get set up for dinner service. So hello everybody. Hello Dawn. Hello Diane. Hello Lori. Ralph. Let's see who else is on. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Let's see, our $9.99 to go special this week is barbecue chicken. We do not have a wine dinner or beer dinner on Monday, so we have a night off from that. And then we will be back on the 30th with our wine dinner, 4 wines and a dish for $29. And then we're into Labor Day weekend. Can you believe it? It's crazy. Hard to believe that it is almost the end of August. It's crazy. And school's gonna be starting soon, and people are gonna be going back to work, teachers, things like that. So let's see. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching me. I like to see you on and wave and say hi to me. And I'm gonna jump right into my drink because I gotta walk out the door here in a few minutes. So I am going to put 2 ounces of bourbon, the Rough Rider bourbon from Long Island. Actually, one more splash in there. Perfect. I'm going to do a splash of Luxardo cherry liqueur. Probably about a half an ounce. And any of these drinks my staff can make here at the restaurant when you come in, if you are interested. I do have lots of people who come in and say, oh, we want that drink Jamie made. It looks really good. So Orgeat from Gifford. This is an almond liqueur. So, okay. And some splashes of lemon juice. We're going to shake it on up. I'm actually going to taste it first. Taste it first here. Make sure it's good since I haven't made this one before. I feel like it might need a little agave, but I'm not sure. Oh no, that is yummy. So I'm gonna put it on the rocks. Put it on the rocks here. And there you go. I don't know what to call this. Bourbon cherry. If anybody can kind of think of a name for this cocktail. It's bourbon, Luxardo cherry, almond liqueur, so Orgeat, lemon juice. Oh, I forgot the soda. And a splash of soda. If anyone can think of a name for this drink, that would be awesome. Just hit me with some fire crotch, is what Calvin's saying. Yummy, yummy, Jamie. Thank you. This has been fun for me. Those of you who maybe have not watched me before, I've been doing Facebook Live since March of 2020, so over a year and a half now. I do them. I try to do it once a day. Sometimes I'm only getting 3 in. Sometimes I get 4 in. So every day I try to do it around 4 o'clock. Sometimes it's a little bit later, but I've made some really cool, interesting drinks. And Courtney is now sending out an email every Wednesday with a drink of the day. So you guys are getting my recipes as well. But come into Aroma Time, come get some drinks from me, or Courtney or whoever's behind the bar. Sit outside in our lovely garden. We do have jazz tonight at 6:30. Please call ahead to make reservations, 845-647-3000. And I think that's it. I gotta run. I gotta go cater this party. I don't want to be late. I'm gonna taste my drink here. Oh, that's good. Cheers, everybody. And I will catch you hopefully tomorrow for happy hour. Have a wonderful night. Cheers.